going on, everybody? I know it's kind of dark right now. Um, just taking a break from my run. I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max right now. Recording with the front-facing camera. Um, well, I'm out of breath, but I thought it'd be cool while I was running. I thought it'd be cool to kind of record some video using both cameras. So I'm starting with the front one right now. As you can see, you can't really see me at all. You can see the back pretty well, but my face, nothing. Even if I try to tap on the screen and change the brightness a little bit, it's still not working. I mean, there's very little light around here, but what I'm going to do is, really out of breath. Once I'm a little bit further down, I'm going to take some video recording the back camera and show you guys how that looks. Oh, there I am. Sorry about that, guys. Cut off because the light was horrible back there, but I got some street lights in front of me. This is still with the front camera. I'm going to be heading down. I'm going to finish up my run, head down to the park area, and then do some videos with the back camera so you guys can kind of get a look at how the back records at 4K at nighttime. So let me finish up this run and we'll get going. See you guys. All right, guys, so just got to the park area in the community. It's pretty empty around here, so I'm just gonna go around and start recording. But just a quick off topic, I mean not off topic, but just a quick little rant. Anyone else think it might be a little more efficient if Apple actually put the camera settings in the camera app? Because I was just looking through right now while I was switching to 4K at 60 FPS to show you guys. And it's like the settings are all the way buried in, all the way towards the bottom. And I think it just might be a little more convenient if they put those settings in the actual camera app. I don't know, just me. But let's go right into the video now. We'll show you guys back camera recording at 4K, 60 FPS. And another quick note, I did notice when I was selecting the option, it did say that it would only play on macOS 10.13 or later. So I guess that's good to know for people that are recording videos and trying to play videos on their Mac products. So without further ado, let's go and start recording with the back camera. Guys, so this is recording at 4K at 60 FPS, no flash on, no editing done to this video at all. This is straight. To me, it looks a little weird, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's the lighting or what's going on, but some parts look better than others. Like this looks a little bit too like smooth. I'm not sure if that's just my camera or I don't know. It looks a little weird to me. Overall, good quality. I mean, nothing crazy. I mean, I wouldn't say anything special. I'll see how it looks on the computer when I go upload the video. Hopefully, uploads pretty good on onto YouTube. There's different lightings right there. That looks a little better, a little more clear. Street. Let's see if I can go over to like a darker area. Overall, it looks pretty nice. Can't complain. I'm gonna try switching to the far lens. Oh, that's zooming in, and it won't let me zoom out. It only lets me zoom in. This is on 3, and then this is going back to 1 at 26 millimeter. What else can I do over here? That's zooming in again with the 2x, and back to 1. For some reason, it won't let me switch to the 0.5. I'm not sure if that's only for the camera or not, for taking pictures or not, but I'll look into that too. I'm not a photography pro, so bear with me on that. And let's see what else. So we got different lighting right here, a little darker area. And then we got the overall street. Let's see how far it zooms in. Yeah, I mean, the quality on that is pretty bad in my opinion. But I mean, you are zooming in. I am zooming in all the way, so I mean, I can't expect nothing too crazy. I might do a little picture test tomorrow or something like that, but if you guys want to see anything specific regarding pictures or videos, let me know. And that's that. That's the parking lot, different lighting. I thought this would be a good spot because a lot of different lightings. There's the tennis court over there. More of the parking lot, the trees. Overall, pretty good. I'll do a quick front camera test while there's more light around me, and then we'll wrap it up from there. All right, so this is the front camera, same spot that I just ended the other video. I kind of like the front camera quality better than the back camera, to be honest. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is the front camera recording, no flash, no editing done. I don't know if you guys find this helpful or entertaining at all, but if you guys do, let me know in the comments. Let me know what else you'd like to see with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm willing to do any type of test, any type of features, look into any type of features. So just hit me up, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna finish up my run, head home, upload this video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. All right.